Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove a light scuff from a vehicle. You just need two things to remove this scuff. Meguiar's Ultra Cut Compound. You need the extra heavy cut, and then you will need a microfiber towel. I applied the compound directly on the scuffs, and I am letting it sit for at least 10 minutes. After that, I will start to buff it off with this microfiber towel in circular motions, and I'll get back to you guys with the results. These are the final results. That's just compound, but the whole scuff is gone. You don't even see any light scratches on this panel or anything anymore. All that white stuff you see is just compound that I need to get off. But as you can see, the whole scuff is gone. It looks brand new again. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll help me out a lot. Have a great day.